roads, that one day they will live like the rest of Kenyans in decent homes with dignity. We meant it. When we said bottom up, it wasn't a slogan, it was a vision. And today, that vision comes to reality as we move citizens from Mukuru slum to Mukuru new estate, right here, before our own eyes, in the city of Nairobi. Ni kweli si kweli jameni? Mimi nawauliza watu wa hapa Kanairo, munasema tuendelee na hii kazi tusiendelee? Munasema tuendelee tusiendelee? Munasema kazi kwanza siasa? Tunasema kazi kwanza siasa baadaye, si ndio? Ati tunasema kazi kwanza siasa? Niwaulize, nyinyi watu wa hapa Nairobi, watu wa hapa Mukuru, Wakenya wenzangu, munasema tuendelee na kazi ama munataka tuelekee kwa siasa? Munasema tuendelee na kazi? Munasema ni kazi bila break? Kuna kundi ingine ya pale ya siasa mfululizo. Nyinyi ni watu wa kazi bila break ama siasa mfululizo? Munasema ni kazi? Munasema ni kazi? Munasema ni kazi bila break? Mimi nawauliza watu wa Nairobi, ni kazi bila break ama ni siasa mfululizo? Ni kazi bila break ama ni siasa mfululizo? Ni kazi bila break ama ni siasa mfululizo? Wangapi wanasema ni kazi bila break? Jameni, tuendelee na kazi bila break. Tunaelewana jameni? Mimi nafurahi. Mimi ninafurahi kwamba kama taifa, as a nation, as a people, as a leadership, we have gathered the courage for the transformation of our nation to make the choices and make the decisions that will transform our country. When we said bottom-up transformation, we meant bottom-up transformation. We knew it was going to be difficult. We knew it was going to be easy. We knew it was not going to be easy. But we have made the choices and the results are there for everybody to see. This is going to be how we transform our nation. And I am very proud to be part of the leadership that is making the decisions that is seeing the transformation of our nation. I want to encourage us to believe in our country, to believe in ourselves, to believe in Kenya, because if we don't believe in this country, we will let down our nation, and our independence will be meaningless if we don't believe in our nation. Watu wa Nairobi tumekubaliana jameni? Munasema tuendelee pamoja? And I want to promise you, I will continue to lead from the front. I will continue to lead from the front as we transform this nation. And I will work with courageous leaders, people who believe in Kenya, people who believe in the transformation of Kenya, not mere politicians who believe in convenience, who believe in nothing, who believe in retrogressive politics. We don't share a vision with the tribalists. We don't share a vision with the haters. We don't share a vision with people who believe in the disunity of our nation. We share the vision with the people who believe in the unity of Kenya, who believe in a broad-based arrangement, a broad-based government that brings Kenyans together. And I must thank leaders from across the political divide, more particularly the Honorable Raila Odinga, for agreeing that this country requires the unity of nation, the coming together of citizens and leaders to work together for the transformation of Kenya. And I want to promise you that I will continue to lead from the front, and nothing, I say, nothing by the grace of God is going to stop us from achieving the transformation of Kenya. Mimi nasema Nairobi hoye! Mukuru hoye! New Mukuru Estate hoye!